Hi, this is Heidi Golff with RE/MAX Gold Coast Realtors and a Zillow Premier Realtor as well, coming to you, California Dreaming, from beautiful Ventura, California. Did you try to get your house sold, but it didn't go as expected? You invested in getting the house in shape. You had open houses. You baked all the cookies. But where were all of the buyers? And more importantly, where were all the offers? You probably heard a lot of excuses on why the house didn't sell. But the reality is, it didn't sell because the marketing plan didn't work. Don't let your house go unsold. I'd like to hear from you. You need an agent who replaces failure with determination and replaces excuses with effort. So I invite you to take a look at my Ultimate Home Toolkit, and the link for that is below in the description of this video. And call me or text me, Heidi@HeidiGolff.com for email, 805-701-1798. And I invite you to look me up on Zillow, read my reviews, and let's get your house sold. Let's get moving. Thank you.